If my lashes aren't touching my brow bone, I don't want it. Like, I didn't do it right. That's how it is. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back if you're new here. I'm Famita. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on my most asked question, which is how I do my mascara. I don't even wear falsies anymore, even when I do a full glam look, just because I feel like my lashes itself is pretty good now. It's pretty nice. I feel like I can get away without doing falsies. I do have naturally straight lashes, which I was really insecure about for the longest time, but honestly I just learned how to embrace it and work around it. This technique literally works every single time like a charm. Today we're gonna be testing out this new Physicians Formula mascara. This is not sponsored, by the way. They just sent me their new line and I'm just excited to see if it actually works, how it is. And I'm going to show you how I get luscious lashes with this mascara, which I've never tried or used before, just to show you guys that you can get long lashes with literally any mascara. I am going to be doing an eyeshadow look as well, so I'm just going to curl my lashes really quickly, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I like to do my mascara and the technique I use. So first of all, before moving on to mascara, I'm going to be using this Japanese lash curler. I love their lash curlers. I think they're one of the best in the market, and honestly for drugstore and only for like $10, I believe. I could be wrong. I will link it below. I have 3 to 4 of their lash curlers, and honestly every single one of them work like a charm. They're so sturdy. They leave my lashes curled throughout the day. Like, it just does not ever let me down. And another test to see if you have a good lash curler is to see if they actually come together. If they come together right here, that means that's not going to leave your lashes curled and it's not a good lash curler. But when you see it's a little bit tight and it doesn't come all the way together, that means it is good and your lashes will stay curled. It's not about the price you spend, it's honestly about the quality of the lash curler. So many drugstore products are literally as good as, or even better than, some of the high-end products in my opinion. Let's get to it. I have nothing on. I just showered and just did my skincare. As you can see, I am very tired. I did it before so you can compare the before and after. Literally no lashes, but we're gonna transform it. Let me show you how I curl. I always like to have a mirror handy. This mirror is honestly so fire. Oop, I don't want you guys to see my boogies. This mirror is so fire. It has, you see that? And it's perfect. Well, it is made for your car, so whenever you're on the go you can just put on your makeup because it does have lights installed. So I really like this. This is from Glam, I believe. Whenever doing anything that involves my lashes, I always like to hold the mirror below, just because I feel like I can get a better look at it and see what I'm working with. So looking down, raising my eyebrows, I'm making sure that I'm close as possible to the root of my lashes, and then closing it slowly, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I do halfway up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then going a little bit up to the tip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. Honestly, just like one curl and look how nice that looks. Like, I'm not hurting my lashes and my lashes weren't pulled at all, and this is a result I got. It would literally last me all day, all night. If I put mascara on, or even if I put Vaseline on, it just stays. Highly recommend Japanese lash curlers, or honestly any lash curler that you do know works for you. It's a game changer. Even if you don't put makeup on, I highly recommend you curling your lashes. Anyways, I'm gonna go do my eyeshadow and I'll be right back. This is the eyeshadow look we're working with right now. I did try this Physicians Formula eyeshadow for the first time and it's really cute, but the way it went on was a bit like patchy. It dried very fast, but the color is so beautiful. I feel like I have to work like a little by little instead of applying on both eyes and then trying to blend it out. I think that's where I went wrong, but other than that, it is really cute. I love this color. This is the situation of my lash right now. Like I said before, we are going to be testing this Physicians Formula mascara for the first time. I love the packaging. A cute packaging honestly just gets me so excited to try the product and always reach for it. Is that with you too? Going in, I always like to hold a small mirror close to my face. One, I am very blind. Another reason, you can see better. So I'm gonna hold it a little bit lower. It's like at an angle to me. I like to hold it at an angle like this. And then when doing it, I like to do a very light coat first instead of just going in. You know, it does get very clumpy when you just apply layer after layer immediately without letting it dry. So I like to apply a light layer and then I'm gonna let it dry. I also like to close my eyes very slowly as I'm applying it, as you can see, and getting as close as possible to the root of my lashes, to the point where it even makes like an eyeliner on my waterline underneath. And then I just swift it up. When I do my mascara, I always like to go to the left, like the opposite. So for my right eye, I like to go this way. For my left eye, I like to go this way. And then of course, I'm gonna fan it out later on. You just gotta make it look like your eyeballs are about to pop out. Honestly, that is literally the trick. If you have a lash separator, this is a good time to bring it out because it literally makes the biggest difference. After doing my first coat, I just like to go in and separate the lashes. Now we're gonna do this eye and do the same thing. As of right now, first impressions, this mascara has exceeded my expectations, to be honest. It's really easy to use. It's not clumping my lashes and it's lengthening my lashes while giving it a little volume. Doing this eye always scares me, so I need to focus a little bit harder. I also like mascara that doesn't have ink on this, like, what is this called? On this area right here. Blinking as I do it very softly. Okay, first coat done with this eye as well. I'm gonna let it dry down a little bit before going in with the lash separator. Let's do another coat. As much as I love mascara and do my own lashes, it's just so time consuming. When doing the second coat, I like to focus on the ends right here because I do like a more of a cat eye look. But if you want a doll eye look, you can do that as well. Still keeping my mirror down, I'm going to just work the areas and moving it to my left and then just fanning these pieces out. I do like to use the tip as well. And just moving the lashes around. They're still very, very workable. Within all that, I'm going to only apply mascara on the tip of my lashes. And you can see like it's already adding so much length. Another tip is to squint like this when applying your mascara. You squint like this, I feel like it really helps you get the maximum length. And then separating this lash. Okay, and honestly I'm gonna do the same thing here. I feel like this is the tip that no one else does it. I haven't seen anyone else do it, which is using your finger to curl the lashes. Just to curl the lashes like this while it's still like semi-wet after the second or third coat you do. I'm just gonna hold it down and then if it helps, count to like 20. It works. You can also use lash primer, which is going to help this whole process and make your lashes last longer, go on easier, and just look so much longer and beautiful. But I did forget to use lash primer. I always forget to use lash primer, and I feel like you don't really need it, but it does help. This is one of my favorite lash primer, which is from Lancome Mascara and lash primer. Insane. Fire. I love it so much. If you do want to spend the extra buck, if not, Maybelline Sky High or this bad boy right here honestly works so good. The trick here is having your brows raised. All my lines right here are from doing my mascara. Also, another thing that I learned that helps is with my left hand, I like to do my left eye mascara. With my right hand, I like to do my right eye mascara. I feel like the way you hold the bristle really does make a huge difference. So when you hold it like this, if I'm applying on this eyelash, it does go on better. Same for this eye. When I hold it like this, it does go on better, and it's easier for me to work with rather than me having to do this and that, you know. Curling it with my finger. Look how nice my lashes look, no falsies. I am gonna apply one more coat after I finish my entire makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how the makeup turned out. I'm actually very pleased, and honestly, every single product I tried from Physicians Formula this time around, it was pretty good. I'm just gonna go back to my top and add one more coat, and this time around I'm just adding to the top. Of course, don't forget this step. Honestly, I feel like it's such a game changer. And I'm honestly surprised like not a lot of people use this. Actually, I've never seen anyone else use it, so definitely try this hack because it's a game changer. Also, let's compare it to the before. But yeah, that's literally my lash tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.